Is it time to buy or sell Gyrodyne stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Gyrodyne. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Gyrodyne as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a loss of 2.73% thus far. This results in an average loss of 0.14% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.83% to 36.53%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 1.13%. Based on our estimations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 28.60% and positive 8.25% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $7.64 and $11.58. Our latest daily update for Gyrodyne includes the headline Gyrodyne stock price ended at $10.70 on Friday after gaining 4.59%. The Gyrodyne stock price gained 4.59% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 5th of September 2025, rising from $10.23 to $10.70. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.75%, with a low of $10.20 and a high of $10.99. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.48% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 6,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 6,000 shares were exchanged for approximately $65,080. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $12, and the lowest price was $6.80. Currently, the price is 10.83% or $1.30 below the 52-week high, and 28.04% or $4.17 below the all-time high reached on the 31st of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $14.87. Gyrodyne, trading as GYRO, is executing a clear monetization and governance playbook that investors should observe. In August 2025, the company agreed to sell approximately 49 acres of vacant land at its Flower Field complex in Smithtown, New York, as part of a strategic liquidation plan. This near-term cash event should boost liquidity and provide management with the flexibility to pay down debt, fund operations, or return capital, which could enhance the stock through improved balance sheet metrics. That transaction follows a favorable ruling from the New York Supreme Court in October 2024, which upheld the Town of Smithtown Planning Board's approval for an 8-lot subdivision. This ruling cleared a significant legal hurdle and preserved development options, allowing for potential future value realization for the Flowerfield site. Gyrodyne also completed an oversubscribed rights offering in March 2024 that generated approximately $4.4 million net, strengthening its capital cushions following prior dilution. Earlier governance agreements and board changes in 2023 reduced activist pressure and aligned incentives with shareholders, thereby lowering execution risk. In the short term, expect price movements tied to the sale proceeds, the timing of the closing, and the market's reaction to cash deployment. In the longer term, the stock's performance will depend on successful asset dispositions or development outcomes, disciplined use of proceeds, and continued governance stability. Analysts have assigned Gyrodyne stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Gyrodyne. The Gyrodyne stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $10.29 and $9.83. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Gyrodyne has experienced increased volume following the recent price rise, which is considered a technical positive sign, since volume should ideally align with price movement. However, very low volume can heighten risk and diminish the effectiveness of other technical signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 2.73%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Gyrodyne. Gyrodyne finds support from accumulated volume at $10.65, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock generally trades at a strong volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed to be low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.79, which is 7.75%, between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.81%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Gyrodyne, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Gyrodyne. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Gyrodyne is at $10.74. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Gyrodyne encounters its first support level at $10.65. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Gyrodyne from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of March 2024, Ronald J. Macklin executed an insider purchase of 8,698 shares of common shares of limited liability company interests. On the 4th of August 2025, Toverview LLC conducted an insider sale of 1,216 shares of common shares. On the 18th of October 2024, Toverview LLC conducted an insider sale of 3,270 shares of common shares. On the 18th of October 2024, Toverview LLC again conducted an insider sale of 3,384 shares of common shares. On the 21st of October, 2024, Toverview LLC conducted an insider sale of 350 shares of common shares. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 82.1. In total, insiders purchased 530,526 shares and sold 48,801,538 shares in the last 68 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.30, reflecting a decrease of 3.77%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 19 days ago. Is Gyrodyne stock a good buy? Several short-term signals along with an overall positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Gyrodyne stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we anticipate that Gyrodyne will open lower by 7 cents and begin trading at $10.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.